open doors, words that show respect and more. Not too fancy, short and sweet, but when you use them you're elite. Please is how we make a choice, with kindness in our tone and voice. It's not a demand, it's how you ask, shows you care, that's class. Say the magic, use them right. Please, thank you, day or night. Say the magic, be that star. Excuse me takes you far. They're just words, but they shine bright. Show respect and do what's right. Say the magic loud and true. The world feels better thanks to you. Thank you shows you recognize when someone helps, that's being wise. Big or small, it means a lot. Gratitude connects the dots. And excuse me clears the way when you bump, interrupt or stray. It keeps things fair, it keeps things kind. A simple word that shows your mind. Say the magic, use them right. Please, thank you, day or night. Say the magic, be that star. Excuse me takes you far. You've got manners in your hands. Use those words to take a stand. Say the magic loud and true. They start with you, they stick like glue. Please, when you ask, thank you when you receive. Excuse me when you step in. That's respect, that's how we lead. Say the magic, 1, 2, 3. Please, thank you, excuse me. Say the magic one more time. Use them daily, they're so prime. Be the kid who's kind and strong. Say the words that feel so wrong to leave out, so shout it out. Please, thank you, excuse me now.